Well, hi there. Guess what we're making today? We're making blueberry healthy yogurt oat muffins. I'm using up what I had in the refrigerator for some blueberries. So I'm going to tell you what's in it, then I'm going to show you. And then if you go down below in the description, the recipe will be there. We're going to use plain yogurt, milk, egg, vanilla. You can use honey or a sugar substitute. I'm using a sugar substitute, stevia. Old-fashioned rolled oats, whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon I'm putting in, but that's optional, and salt. And you can use 1 to 2 cups of blueberries, but I'm using 2 cups of blueberries. I want that moist, yummy flavor of blueberries. And 4 tablespoons of butter or coconut oil. I have a brand new big jar of coconut oil, but I'm not going to crack it just for 4 tablespoons, so I'm using butter. So let me pan you down and we can get started. Hopefully doesn't fall. We'll see. So far so good. I think you can see that pretty good. See if we move it a little closer. I think that's good right there. Okay, you want to preheat your oven to 375, and I've already done that. You want to have a liner of 12 muffins, and I've got these right here for liners, the silicone. I have 12. And I'm going to use this muffin scoop that my friend Charlene gave me, and it is a Crofton right there. Crofton, and it measures out your muffin mix. So let's get started here. You need a couple of bowls. I got all the ingredients ready, and let's see. Let's get started and read what we need here. Hope everyone's doing well today. Okay, in a medium bowl, which I'm going to use this one right here, you want to put a yogurt in, which is right here. This is 1 cup of yogurt. This is plain yogurt. Just like that. And you want to put in milk. Where's my milk here? Right here. I'm using almond milk, 1/4 of a cup of almond milk. Going right in. And we got this wonderful Mexican vanilla that I love. And this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Smell it? I'm sharing with you. Going right in, right there. Okay. And you would put honey in at this time, but I don't have honey, so we're not using that. And we're going to mix it together. It says whisk or beat or mix, but you don't want to over mix this either. So we're just gonna go like this, get it all incorporated really well. It says whisk. I've got a whisk here. I can dig it right out. Let's see here. I've got many of them actually. We'll use this one. I have different sizes of whisk. We'll just see what happens. It may blend quicker, which it does, but I'm a big spoon person. There, blended real well. There we go. Just like that. And you know I don't like to hit the side of my bowls, because if I do, I can hear my grandmother saying, "Brenda, don't hit it." Okay, in a large bowl, you want to put your oats. Remove this here. Switch out my bowls here. And you want to, let me see here. Got all my notes here so I don't forget anything. Okay, you want to put your oats, which is a cup. And you want to use your flour right here, which is 3/4 of a cup. Right there. And you want to use your baking powder. right there. And your baking soda. And your cinnamon if you're using it. Like I said, everything will be in the description box below. And the salt. Okay, and then you want to add your, let me make sure here, flour, cinnamon, salt. And we want to add this. Now we're going to add the, I'm going to switch out again. You got to keep switching the bowls here. Going to add this to the mixture. Smell that. Yum, yum. And here's my sugar stevia substitute. And we're going to put the egg in. And that is everything right there. So I'm going to, whoops, we don't want to forget the butter. Butter, butter, butter. So I'm going to shut this off. And when it's all done, I'm going to bring you back because I think we all know how to whisk everything in. I'll bring you back. Okay, it's mixed in. Don't want to hit the bowl here, but I want to get the blueberries out. Just going to put blueberries in. I put about 1 3/4 cups of blueberries in. Just like that. You just want to incorporate it. And what I do is I put a little flour in my blueberries. And I will show you. Like this, so they don't stick together. I have a few if I want to put on top. Now we're going to get the muffin. I'm going to show you how this works. Just stick it in. And it goes in just like that. And I'll show you one more. Then it's going in the oven at 375. And I will bring you back once it's plated up and show you what it looks like. Okay folks, here they are. Don't they look beautiful? Look at that. Nice, healthy muffins. And look in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell because I try to put out a video every day. And on the weekends, I put out a video on Saturday and I take Sunday off. So please hit that bell, leave a comment. Leave a comment, let me know if you've made these, if you like them, try them. And I'm gonna show you the one I just cut open and I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna set these ones down. I think Miss Dara is gonna really like these. I don't know, we'll see. This is the one I just cut open. And look at the blueberries. I filled that baby with a lot of blueberries right there. It's got great texture. Oh, look at these blueberries. Maine blueberries. I had to put butter on it, don't you know? Very moist. Very, very moist. Just a little bit of sugar, stevia. Very moist, not dry. Go ahead and try it. I mean, it's not like a blueberry sugared muffin, but it's good and it's healthy. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up so YouTube can tell there's some major stuff going on over here in MAINEiac Grammie's, and that will direct traffic over here. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Stay safe. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.